Still on Love Affairs on Olive TV, I still remain my humble self, Abiodun Olajumoke, your one and only host. This topic I'm about to discuss about marriage, and also is focusing attention on women. And now bring to the topic of reasons, 6 reasons why you shouldn't get married based on these conditions. Yes, you shouldn't get married to any man with these 6 reasons based on this condition. If you are placed on these conditions, please don't get married to this particular man. And the first thing I'll be talking about is virginity. You know, some men, they are so obsessed with this time virginity. I want to marry virgin. I want to marry virgin. I want to marry virgin. So at the end of the day, once they deflower you and be like, this one is more, you know, she's not my spec anymore, because the affection is not there. It was not based on mutual love. It was not based on good fortune. You understand? You know, it was focusing on one particular thing, and once that thing is achieved, that's all. That's why you're seeing marriages, you know, scattered and all that. Also, the second thing I'll be discussing is love. Yes, so by the end of this section, you understand what I'm trying to say. Love, the kind of love I'm talking about in this topic is love at first sight. According to this love doctor, Gary Chapman said, love is not the foundation to happiness in marriage. Love at first sight, like, oh, I just love her at the sight of sin and alone. My sister, run for your dear life, because once that kind of love is just like, you know, when you put petrol into fire, once it's burned for a period of time, it will go down. So that is it. You shouldn't get married to a man that just love you at first sight. It's wrong. That love won't be rekindled in a relationship. As a matter of fact, your marriage won't last long. Also, pity. You shouldn't get married to a man who marries you out of pity, who is willing to marry out of pity. What if he does not feel pity for you anymore? What if he has run out of pity? Don't get married to a man that will just marry you for, yes, so, no, he's marrying me for because he wants to, he's pitying me and all that. That's wrong. That is very, very wrong. Yes, that's very, very wrong. Don't get married to a man out of pity. It won't do you any good. Or don't get married to a man who is willing to get married to you out of pity. And the first one I'm talking about is money. Yes. Look before you leap. If you are this kind of person, be an entrepreneur, you're doing well for yourself, and you know this man now is willing to marry you because of your money, my sister, run. What did I say? Run. Run. Because at the end of the day, you'll be like, once that money is gone, maybe he has sucked you dry already. He has, maybe you guys have lavished all your money and all that. And once that money is not there, it will run away. You'll be left all alone. So it's not advisable. Once you know that the man is after your money, your wealth, you should not get married to that kind of man. It won't do you any good. And the 5th one is good body and beauty. Body shape and beauty. See, love shouldn't be based on anything at all. Love shouldn't be based on anything. Do you know why? Because once that thing fades, then that love has ended. Oh, I love your shape. I love your eyes. I love your eyeballs. I love your nose. I love your lips. God forbid bad thing. What if maybe all for circumstances happen, like by accident, or maybe one of your hands got broken, or maybe you were just physically deformed? Do you think that love will still be there? No. If you remember in the previous video, I was discussing about a lady who abandoned his husband, who got blind from Libya, all because he went for greener pasture. The wife left with the 3 kids. She married because the man was taking care of him, the man was taking care of her, and because the man was physically fit. But because when she realized that, no, this person is not physically fit anymore, she absconded, she ran away for dear life. Also, the last one is spiritual gifts. Yes, you know, so many like, oh, she knows how to sing. If she has this angelic voice, she can, she can dance, she can play, she can do this. No, once I get married to her, she'll be able to follow me spiritually. She'll be able to do this. Run, no. Run. Because those kind of people are parasites. They are parasites. And you know parasites now, they've come to feed on their host. Once they are done feeding, they leave. So you should be watchful. If this kind of people, you know when a man is at least trying to maneuver you, trying to marry you out of pity, marry you for your money, marry you for your good shape, marry you because you're a virgin, or marry you because he has this love at first sight stuff, or because he's marrying you for your spiritual gift. My sister, it's not a good thing. That's why you see all these marriages breaking and breaking and breaking up. This thing are red flags. I'm very sure most of them will have seen it, but will be like, no, it's not, I can fix it. Are you Holy Spirit that can fix anything? So that's it. You should be watchful and be careful. You look before you live. Marriage is a lifetime contract, while wedding is just a one-day event. So please, let's be guided. Gradually, we are moving on to another segment. Don't forget, Onif TV is still your one and only source for news, politics, entrepreneurship, and love affairs. I still remain my humble self, Jumoke Abiodun. See you in our next video. Stay safe.